My dear friends, thank you so much, and this is a very special moment for myself and Hima because this is our 50th video that we are producing in this YouTube video channel EVS Go Green. EVS Go Green YouTube channel was begun with an intention to make environmental education easy to understand by all people, not just students, by professionals, by normal people who are interested in the environment, by anybody who wants to study this subject seriously but fails to understand it from textbooks or from any other sources of information. So here I always tried to tell it in my own simple way, which many people have appreciated, and I thank each and every one of you for your continued support and your appreciation for the way that I teach. And many of you have given lots of useful suggestions which have helped us make more and more exciting and interesting videos. We don't use a lot of special effects, we have a very small setup, but the quality of our dissemination will always be kept standard, and we hope to make many more videos and inform you about the environmental education. And it is very important that a scientific knowledge of environmentalism be tuned into your natural keen interest of environmentalism also, because you see, ultimately you, me and everything that we see around us will have to return back to nature, and there is no escaping from it, and nature is the ultimate provider and the taker. So whatever we decide, nobody is going to bring all the resources from outside the planet into the planet, and nobody is going to take out the trash from this planet and take it to another place. Maybe that will happen in the very far future, but right now we have only this planet and this environment, and the amount of habitable land and the amount of usable water is very finite, and what we can recycle, how we can recycle, how we can reduce and how we can reuse, and all of these things are extremely important, not just from the point of how to protect the environment, but also to protect us as a species which has to survive in this environment. So a proper scientific knowledge of all the environmental issues is extremely important, and I hope to continue educating all of you in all of these aspects in the best way that I can. So thank you once again for your wonderful support, and please do subscribe to this channel and keep encouraging us to make more engaging videos. And at this point I would like to request you to please put in your comments in the video below on what kind of videos you would like to see in the coming future. Those who have been regularly following this channel for such a long time, I thank you so much. Now we are almost a year old, we are more than a year old now, and it would be very useful if you could give us some guidance on what other videos we could provide. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye.